Welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off chill zone on Discord. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your desktop, first of all, open up the Discord. After that, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in and land on this interface, now to turn off chill zone on desktop, all you have to do is press either P or Q on your keyboard along with the enter key. So simply press P along with the enter code and hold it for a second, and after a few seconds your Discord will be freezed, and again you will get an option to unfreeze your Discord again. And that's how you can simply freeze or turn off chill zone on Discord. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.